Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. We got Kevin's 2005 Blazer and we're going to do some front brakes on it. Past few weeks, it's been kind of making some screaming noises in the front. So we're going to see what's left of his rotor. See if he took it right down or not. Jack her up, put a jack stand under it. Just ripping these bolts out, our nuts off. Looking at the brake caliper setup here. These are the ones that are actually going to hold the caliper in. Gonna bust those out, and then probably these ones here to pull everything off, take it apart, inspect, and then I can work on getting a new router. Looks like factory brakes because they got those little tabs on there. Oh shit. Thought those would have been thieves. I know. Yeah, there's not much pad left there, that's for sure. No fear for the big gun. Fortunately, that one there's not really in a friendly position. Once I pull this out. So Kevin was wanting to know what that squealing from is on this tab right here. You could see where it's been wearing. And that tab is to tell you that it's time to change your brakes. As you can see, there's not much left. Here we are, rotor number 1 is off. Shiny. Right, put the new rotor on. Presto. Crack the reservoir. Gonna use this little funky tool here to push the cylinders back in. New kit gave us all new pins. Find the ones that are the right side. Kevin's not gonna be a happy guy. That one there's gonna be like that. And then just need some love. Some light taps. Kind of get her set into place. Throw that baby back on. That bolt started. Get that bolt started. Got some new grease for these pins. So we're gonna lubricate them up good before we stick them back in. Carefully. Spread them open some more. Oh yes, motherfucker. Now we can stick bolts back in, tighten them up. Double check everything.
I was almost like they wanted 220. I offered them 200.
All right, well, I'm gonna end the video there. I'm replacing the front brakes on your Blazer. Pretty sure the Jimmy would be pretty close. Not that hard of a job to do. Getting the brakes back into a corroded hanger is a little bit of a pain in the butt, but a little bit of patience and persuasion, you can get her done. So if you have any questions or comments, post them below, and I want to thank you guys for watching.